Hi, it's Bryan here, and in this video, me and Domino are going to teach you how to do a couple tricks, including sit, shake, paws up, and once you learn shake, you can also do wave, which is pretty simple to do, but here we go. So, the first things you'll need is a dog, some treats, and some patience. You have to sit. Right in front of you. Sit. Just put your hand out. Shake. Good boy. Domino's a little shorter, so you can't reach while fully standing, but if I lean over a bit, you can. Sit. Shake. Paws up. Good boy. Sit. Wave. Wave. After you after you teach them the shake trick, it's pretty easy to teach the wave trick. Alright, thanks for watching. Rate, subscribe, and click the like button just because of this adorable face.